In this lesson, I want to talk about cell references and how in Google Sheets there's a much more flexible way to enter cell references, and then introduce the unique function, which is also a new function in Excel. So the way that cell references are going to work now is that you don't actually have to put in the row when you're using kind of a reference like here, okay? And what the unique function does is it actually returns kind of the unique lists. So here, notice that if I apply unique to C3 on, okay, HR appears multiple times, and marketing and so forth, they appear multiple times. But if I use the unique function, I'm going to get just one value for each of the entries. So let me show you how this is going to work in Google Sheets. So if I'm here and I come to G3 and I say equals unique tab, and then I press HR, but notice that here I'm not going to put anything, okay? And why would I do this? The reason why I might do this is because if I add a new entry here, planning, okay, as a new department, now that's going to appear here in my list, okay? And so it actually gives us flexibility so that we don't have to be constrained by a set endpoint in our range. Actually, while I'm at it, let me introduce the sort function. Okay, so the sort function allows you to sort, and you can see here you give it the range, okay, you give it the sort column. So here we're only going to have one column, and then you have, do you want to put it in ascending order? And so we can say true, okay, or we can say false. So let's try that. So we're going to say sort. We just have one column, and we want to sort it in ascending order. And then let's go ahead and say, so notice that right now marketing is first, right? So finance should be first. And so if we do that, it's going to give us in ascending order, okay? If we say false, it's going to give it to us in descending order. And notice that if we have, and let me do here again, true. And then notice that if we have more columns, we can add like what column it is and whether it's true or false. And then so we can add the sorting, and it's going to be a nested sorting, okay? This is a really nice function for you to control your data.